Imagine a user plugs a ROG DHCP server into your network, and suddenly all your client traffic starts routing directly through a hacker's machine. That's the reality of a DHCP spoofing attack. In this video, we are going to build a step-by-step security lab in Cisco Packet Tracer. I will show you exactly how an attacker intercepts DHCP IP requests, how to analyze the traffic, and most importantly, how to completely mitigate it using DHCP snooping on Cisco switch. My name is Kazi Mahmudul Haq and you are watching IT System Admin. Let's dive straight into the lab. Here in my topology, I have a legitimate DHCP server and a ROG DHCP server, and I will show you all DHCP requests from these clients will be captured by ROG DHCP server. This ROG DHCP server will provide IP address to my network computers. First, I'm going to configure IP address on legitimate DHCP server to desktop, then IP configuration, IP address 192.168.10.10, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the gateway is 192.168.10.1. That means router interface IP address. Now I am configuring the DHCP server. Go to services, click on DHCP, turn on DHCP server, and the default gateway 172.16.50.1, and the DNS server is Google public DNS 8.8.8.8. The start IP address 172.16.50.101, and subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, and maximum number of devices 50. Click on save. Close legitimate DHCP server terminal window. Now I'm configuring IP address on ROG DHCP server and configure the DHCP scope. I'm going to assign different scope on same network 172.16.50.201 to 250. I'm going to use different scope IP to verify that the IP address is not assigned from legitimate DHCP server. Open ROG DHCP server, go to desktop, click on IP configuration, type the IP address 172.16.50.254. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 172.16.50.1. Then go to services, click on DHCP, turn on DHCP server. The default gateway 172.16.50.1 and DNS 8.8.8.8. Start IP address 172.16.50.201 and maximum device 50 also. Save and close terminal window. Now I'm going to configure IP address on gateway router. Enable configure terminal interface. I'm going to configure gateway interface of my local network. First Ethernet 0/1, IP address 172.16.50.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Hit enter. No shutdown. Now I will configure IP address on first Ethernet 0/0 interface. First Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.10.1, 255.255.255.0, subnet mask. No shutdown. Now I have to configure DHCP relay agent on fast Ethernet 0/1 as because this interface is the gateway of my local network. Go to interface fast Ethernet 0/1 IP helper address 192.168.10.10. This interface will act as a DHCP relay agent for my legitimate DHCP server 192.168.10.10. Hit enter. Now I'm going to verify that IP address will not assign to my computers from the legitimate DHCP server. The DHCP request from these computers will be forwarded to ROG DHCP server, and ROG DHCP server will assign IP address to my network devices. Go to PC0, click on desktop. ROG DHCP server scope will start with 172.16.50.201. Remember it. Go to IP configuration and check DHCP. The IP address received from ROG DHCP server 172.16.50.201. That means legitimate DHCP server can assign IP address to my network devices. I am going to check another PC. Go to desktop, click on IP configuration, click on DHCP, and here also IP address assigned from ROG DHCP server 172.16.50.206. Now I am going to configure DHCP Snooping on Cisco switch to mitigate this issue and prevent ROG DHCP server to provide IP address on my network. Go to Cisco switch, click on CLI, enable, configure terminal. First, you need to enable DHCP Snooping, as because DHCP Snooping is disabled by default. IP DHCP Snooping, hit enter. DHCP Snooping is enabled. Now apply DHCP Snooping for VLAN. By default, only one VLAN is configured on Cisco switch, that is VLAN 1. To check, type do show VLAN brief. Hit enter. You will find the VLAN 1. This is the default VLAN and all interfaces are in this VLAN. Apply DHCP Snooping to VLAN 1. Now I have to assign trusted interface for DHCP on fast Ethernet 0/1 as because my legitimate DHCP server is connected on fast Ethernet 0/1 in my Cisco switch. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1, type IP DHCP Snooping trust. Now this interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is dedicated for DHCP data transfer. Close switch terminal. Now I am going to verify the IP address will provided from my legitimate DHCP server and it will prevent ROG DHCP server to provide IP address. Check PC0, IP configuration, click on static and click on DHCP again, and the IP address is assigned from my legitimate DHCP server 172.16.50.102. This IP address is provided from my legitimate DHCP server. Go to next PC, go to IP configuration, again click on static and click on DHCP. This PC's IP address also came from legitimate DHCP server 172.16.50.103. Now ROG DHCP server is completely prevented from assigning IP address on my network. That's it. If you have any further query, please do not hesitate to contact me. And if you need help to configure your network topology for professional purpose or educational purpose, you are requested to contact with me. My email address is given in the description. Thank you.